Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to download a Google Sheet file to a PDF onto your computer. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet file, and you have to go to this tab right at the very start. It says File. So when you click on that, you have all these other options available. You have to click Downloads, and from the download on the side pop-up menu you get this PDF file. So when you click this PDF file, you will get a screen like this. Now you have a few options here. You can set it to normal 100%, but that will somehow change the print area, and one of the columns may get out of the page to a next page. That is what we do not want at this stage. So we can do that. We can make it go back by just clicking the fit to width option, which means that the entire window that we were seeing will come into one single page. We can also change the margins to narrow, wide, or normal, and the page size to A4 or A3 or legal or letter, and just click export. So when you click that, you will see a downloading PDF option, and a PDF would be installed or would be downloaded into onto your computer. So just press the folder button, and in here you get this PDF file. So to double click that, and this is your Google Sheet to the PDF file. Easy, and very easily you can get that onto your computer. So that's it, and that's the video. And keep subscribing us for more such content on Google Sheets. Thank you.